While the world is holding its breath, US warships have arrived in the Middle East, positioned near Iran, amid the fear of a possible strike. Well, tensions are soaring, the stakes are global, and one country is stepping in with a voice of reason. Turkey. Here is Turkey's warning to Washington. Turkey's top diplomat, their foreign minister Hakan Fidan, he didn't mince his words. It's wrong to attack Iran. It's wrong to start the war again. Iran is ready to negotiate on the nuclear file again. That's what he said, speaking to one of the media houses. Fidan's message is clear, by the way. War is not the answer. Instead, he urges diplomacy, dialogue. In fact, negotiations to avoid a regional disaster. But you know why Turkey is stepping in here? Turkey shares a 530 kilometers, that is about 330-mile border with Iran. It is a NATO member, but also a regional power with direct interest in the Middle Eastern stability. Well, Hakan Fidan's advice to the US is precise. Close the files one by one with Iranians. Start with the nuclear issue and close it. Then move on to the others. He warns that treating all problems as a single package could be too humiliating or overwhelming for Iran. He says that this risks making negotiations fail before they even begin. But also the timing. That matters. Earlier this particular month, Iran faced massive nationwide protests, followed by a harsh crackdown and an internet blackout. Riot groups report thousands killed in just days. In response, the US President Donald Trump has sent mixed signals here, sometimes hinting at military actions, other times suggesting dialogue. Now, against this backdrop, Turkey is urging caution. Diplomacy and dialogue are only way to help Iran get through this trap-filled period, and that's what Fidan said. In fact, last week, their president Recep Tayyip Erdogan called the unrest in Iran a new test. He also pledged that Turkey would stand against any initiative that drags the region into chaos. So, in the end, here's how Fidan explained. He explained that problems with Iran should not be treated as a single, overwhelming package. If you put everything together as one package, it will be very difficult for our Iranian friends to digest and truly process it. He added that some demands could even seem humiliating, making it really hard for Iranian leaders to comply or even discuss. According to Turkey, the key is to rebuild trust in the region. When I was in Iran 2 months ago, I was very frank with my Iranian friend. That's what he said. Let me quote further. We need to find trust in the region. But you know what this means for the rest of the world? Well, Turkey's intervention is a wake-up call for Washington. Military strikes could trigger regional chaos. Mismanaged diplomacy could escalate into full-scale war. And negotiations, they can start with nuclear issues. They can really save lives and stabilize the entire Middle East. Now, this is not about Iran. This is about global peace, trade routes, energy security, and preventing a refuge crisis that could impact Europe and beyond. So here's the closing line. We are talking about the US, Iran, Turkey. Well, Turkey urges the US to start nuclear talks with Iran amid the US naval buildup and recent Iranian crackdown. And this matters because we need to avoid war, rebuild trust, and protect the region. Turkey is sending a clear, calculated, and pro-peace message. Don't rush into war, negotiate one step at a time, and prevent another Middle East disaster.